guys, welcome to this unboxing video today where we're going to have a look at the Galaxy A52 5G. This is the new mid-range phone from Samsung, and as the name suggests, it has 5G, which means that if you have 5G in your area, then you should get really fast download speeds. So I had this delivered this morning. As you can see, it comes in quite a plain box with a picture of the phone on the front. I've gone for the awesome blue colour because I quite like blue. So what's awesome about it, we will find out when we open the box. So if we have a look at the back of the box, we've got the security tags on there to show that it is a new phone. So if we break these seals, luckily you can use your nail, and then we can open the box and see what's inside, and here it is. So this is the phone, little tab there to pull it out. And that is the awesome blue. It's in this packaging at the moment, which we will pull off now. Little tab here, pull that off. All the way down. And there we have the lovely new phone. Stuff is a bit sticky. There we go. Okay. So, as I said, this is the awesome blue. It's a sort of matte finish. It's really nice. The colour is lovely. Really pleased I went for the blue. Camera is set out a little bit there. Lovely. Looks really nice. Buttons on the side. It's a really nice phone. Weight. Really nice weight. Really happy so far. Okay, so what else is in the box? So, in the box we have a Samsung charger, which you don't get very often these days. A bit awkward to get out. There we go. And because this is the UK version, then we've got the little earth that we put in. So there's our charger. Okay, that's a fast charger. It says fast charger on it. We've then got the USB. That's the normal USB to the USB-C adapter, which is at the bottom of the phone. So that's our charger. Okay, so in this section of the box, we've got a little box with the pin for the SIM card. We have a quick start guide and a warranty card. That is the box. So what you get is the phone, which is very nice, the charger and the charging cable. Okay, so now that we've unboxed our brand new phone, let's have a look at some of the features. So the first thing you will notice in the screen is the 32 megapixel selfie camera, which should give us good selfies. On the side we've got the on-off button and the volume control. On the rear, with this matte finish, is the 4-camera setup. So the top left camera is your ultra-wide camera, which is 12 megapixels. Your center camera is a 64 megapixel main camera. The bottom left camera is your depth camera, which is 5 megapixels. And this camera here is the macro camera, so that's for your close-ups, and that's 5 megapixels. course you've got your flash here as well. If we have a look at the top of the phone, we've got our SIM card slot. If we have a look at the bottom, we can see there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C connection for your charging, and a speaker. Now this is a stereo phone, but you can't see the second speaker because it doubles up as the earpiece. So this phone has a 4500 mAh battery, which should last you at least the day, hopefully 2 days. It's got the 25-watt super fast charging capability. It's got an octa-core processor with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It'll also take a memory card of up to 1TB. It has a feature called Game Booster that gives graphics a smooth motion, fingerprint sensor under the screen, 120Hz display at 800 nits brightness. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, then remember to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. The next video I'll be doing is the full review of the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, so make sure you don't miss out. Bye guys!